Hi, my name is Steve Erb, and I'm a senior consultant with TrueEdge Performance Solutions. I'm also a certified facilitator for Working Genius, and I want to share with you what the model is about and why it would benefit you to participate in a workshop. Working Genius is based on Patrick Lencioni's book, The Six Types of Working Genius, and is a tool for individuals to identify what activities give them joy, fulfillment, and energy. Now, this tool, based on the Working Genius assessment that you'll take prior to the workshop, is unlike other assessments that you may have taken. The Working Genius assessment is 20% personality based, but because it's about the 6 activities involved in doing any kind of work, it's actually 80% productivity, which is what makes it so unique. Let me briefly describe the 6 types of Working Genius. First, there's a genius of wonder. Wonder is the first step in any kind of work, and people with this genius get energy by asking questions such as, is there a better way? Then there's the genius of invention. People with this genius love to come up with new ideas and new ways of solving problems. Next is discernment. People with this genius say, let me evaluate it, and they know how to look at something and assess whether it's going to work or not. After discernment is galvanizing. People with this genius enjoy rallying people around the work. They have a love to inspire and organize others. Next is enablement. This is a critical one. People with this genius will be the first to respond to the galvanizer with the initial help they need to implement. Finally, the genius of tenacity. People with this genius find joy out of finishing things, crossing them off the list, and making sure it gets to the finish line. Not only will the workshop provide you more insight into your specific geniuses, but will also provide more details on how to best use them. The beauty of the Working Genius model is that it has an extremely positive benefit for teams, as it will provide better awareness and help to answer the question, how can we work better together? So hopefully that provides you more insights into the Working Genius workshop, and I look forward to seeing you there.